Okay, guys, let me talk about OS University. Now, OS University is a project I find very interesting. Beat degree, life edu, and many stuff. Many of these projects have their own unique things, and one of the things about ICO is that many of these ICOs they have different solutions they're proposing to actually bring in to solve some of the problems that are going on within the crypto space. So why I find OS very interesting is OS is a platform where they will be able to connect the learners with the academias and also the businesses. So no more will it be very difficult for learners to actually find a platform to actually the best place to get the best education. Neither will it be very hard for these academic institutions to actually get the students, and then those who have businesses, employers, it's not be very difficult for them to actually get this stuff. We'll explain how do we get that. Now, in the system, they're talking about starting with 7,000 open online courses, and they want to starting with more than 7,000 massive online courses and a pool of 60 million learners across the world. Our solution has the platform to reach 3 billion internet users. Right? Let's see what they do with the stuff. Okay, they're now explaining what is the blockchain and how do they intend to use the blockchain to actually do what they want to do. So you already know about the blockchain. The blockchain offer storage, the blockchain offer immutability, the blockchain offer smart contract, and the many stuffs. So they want to bring in the blockchain to actually help for the verification of degrees, for the storage of diplomas, and many other stuffs. And another thing about OX is if you are in the US, you know that there is a platform called Indeed. If you know Indeed is one of the platforms where you can actually search for jobs in the US and be able to get a job, or you can post your job. And if you're in countries like many other countries, they have different things where you can actually get some jobs. So there will be the exclusion of third-party recruiters who actually recruit people. You as a company, you can, with this platform, you can have a direct link with the school and get the best brains who will fit into your job. And with the what OS platform wants to bring, they want to bring in a system here. Once any university or academic learning institution embraces this system, the way grades are given, it will be tracked in the system. So there will be nothing like mutilation or making changes that are not very good. No, everything will be tracked in the system. If the degrees will be tracked in the system, you will be able to verify the degree if that thing was actually forged or not. And not only that, the issues of having to, okay, how do we store our diplomas and the rest of them? No, you can literally store your diplomas on the platform, and once we need the stuff, we can actually call upon this and we'll be able to have that stuff. Then let me explain there's something I want to bring to your attention. The business to let me explain the business to learners smart contract, how it will work. What will be the end result for business in the business to learners? Now it should bring an advanced matching algorithm that is approaching the right learners, dramatically lower recruitment expenses, increase success rates for new candidates, have real-time performance indicators for current employees, transparent social benefits for top performance, up-to-date knowledge base in-house, and transparency in transaction between business to business. And what will be the end result for the learners? Advanced matching algorithm for the right position with one click instead of switching too many numerous job finding platforms. Direct connection of all learners with the business. Transparent social benefits and compensation for employees. Learners can be approached by business in a very early stage of your education, gives real life experience and possible career paths before graduation, and then direct connection between what you learn and professional opportunities you have. So this is the comparison of nowadays and the future with a business to learners. 65% of employers claim talent shortage is the largest challenge in hiring. Now, less than 20% of employers will indicate talent shortage because of the connection to the infinite pool of fresh talent updating their skills every day in the blockchain. And one of the unique things, then you can see some of the other stuff. One of the unique things about this system is when you have an employer, or okay, you as an employer, when you have an employee, you'll be able to see and monitor, if you want to monitor if they're actually updating themselves, because the system will be kind of, if they're actually updating themselves, getting the necessary skills, you'll be seeing if they are updating their skills and the rest of them through the system. Then this is the business or academia stuffs and the many benefits. So this is a system that is going to benefit the academians, benefit the businesses, and benefit the learners. Let me show you something in page 16. What are the benefits? Businesses will benefit from shaping candidates or employers' expertise and from directly approaching their learning and development need in a distributed manner. All men in the middle will be excluded from the picture, thus reducing business expenses, reducing lead time, and increasing expertise accuracy. That is for the businesses. Now, academia will benefit from scaling their audience, hence the economy of scale, gaining competitive advantage through modernization and automation of operations combined with customization of the educational experience. Then the learners should benefit from receiving higher education quality, adequate to the needs of the economy, and from directly approaching employers when it comes to matching the expectations with the individual learning and development profiles, all done directly through the Ethereum blockchain without a middleman. Certifications will automatically be written into blockchain, cutting the bureaucracy and allowing all stakeholders to focus on important aspects of life and business. Any personal information of the parties involved will be stored in an encrypted and secure way. And this talks about the technology they want to use. So, guys, that is all about this platform. If you want to know about the technical things, you go into the architecture, the profile, and the rest of them. So the issues of, they're gone are the days of complaining that our graduates are not skilled. Gone are the days where we hire those who are not qualified and those who are qualified are not getting the jobs. So gone are those days. I want to show you something about the team and something. This is the team, project leader, history, and that's comes for. There are guys from Bulgaria. It was actually founded in Bulgaria, and Bulgaria is one of the most educated countries in the world. Let me show you how they intend to gain traction. What are the plan? Now, as part of our sustainability and traction building strategy, we are going to approach and build partnership with businesses, academic institutions, and student organizations. How would you do that? Now, this is how they said they want to do that. Some of the potential partners we recognize on the EdTech vertical are Coursera, EDX, Udemy, FutureLearn, Open to Study, and others listed in document research. As business partners, we will directly approach all Fortune 2018 technological companies, and a dedicated team will be working with them to flawlessly adopt the technology. In order to build traction among students, we will approach international, national, and local technology-oriented and representative student bodies, starting with the European Students' Union, the European Students of Industrial Engineering and Management, the Board of European Students and Technology, National Association of Student Councils. So this is how they intend gaining tractions. They are approaching students, approaching the students through students, approaching the academic institutions, working with the guys who have been there and doing the business like Coursera and the rest of them. So the question is this actually worth investing is a project I believe is worth investing, because they are solving a real problem. They are not like many other people who are just coming in to just sell a token and not solve. There are many people who have been there. I think we have solutions already to solve payment solutions and the rest of them. Let's bring in something that will change, that has real life practical, because the blockchain goes beyond finance. The blockchain affects health, the blockchain affects the supply chain management, blockchain affects insurance, and blockchain affects the fintech, blockchain affects nearly every industry. So when people who are coming up with real solutions, I think it's time to look into that and know what to do. So guys, do have a very good one, and if there's any ISO you want me to cover, you can reach to me.